Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you the two tools that I had developed, and basically I will be giving you these tools for a minimal amount. So you can see basically these are the two scripts which is very much good if you want to do some earning with Adsense and Ezoic. You can see two websites are there, CSS button generator. So basically if you want to generate buttons inside CSS and want to give out source code dynamically, you can see this is basically the application. You can change the button text dynamically here. You can add the classes here dynamically. You can change the font sizes here automatically, change bold, italic here. So these are basically, it's a keyword in AdSense. You can approve the website for AdSense and you can make $5 per day. These are the two tools that I'm giving you. Basically, if you just write CSS button generator, these are the two websites which are ranking on #1 position. This is the first website. You will see basically this is the website that I'm giving you the script here, and this is the second website ranking on the second position. So basically, if you want the source code of these two websites, I'm giving you for a very minimal amount. You can go to the description of the video and you can buy these two scripts individually, and you can see these are the two scripts I am giving you basically if you want to just see. So basically whenever you purchase it, you will be getting the zip file here. Basically, let me show you. After you unzip it, you will find out this structure here. It will contain the CSS code here, then it will contain these images here, and basically it will contain this index.html file. You just need to open it, and basically this is the CSS button generator, and you can see that it is all the options are there. You can see basically you can deploy this website and you can just add some just random text out there to just approve the website for AdSense. Test content you just need to write. So basically you can see that you can make a lot of earning using these tools kinds of website that I'm showing you. CSS button generator, you can see various themes are there. It is just a clone of that website. If you go to Google, just type CSS button generator and you can just customize the script that I'm giving you. So if you go to that website that I'm talking about, this is the ditto website here. You will see that basically just as adding functionality is there. Basically you can see that. So if you zoom in here, basically you will see that it is a ditto website, cssbuttongenerator.com. I'm just giving you the script for totally very minimal amount. You can go to the description and you can purchase the script and you can deploy this application on your own. Purchase a domain name and basically you can, and it will give you this HTML code and the CSS code dynamically. After you make modifications out there, you can change the position, you can change the border radius automatically. You can also change the border size here, and more options are there. Box shadow effect also there, vertical position like this. You can also manipulate the horizontal position, so you can see that. So these tools kinds of websites are very much trendy, guys. I will telling you, whenever you get some kind of traffic on these websites, you will be earning a lot from AdSense. So basically you can see that you can also change the vertical position. You can also blur out as well, and basically you can say that you can see that whenever you are designing some kind of logo, it's very much useful. People will use your website. You just need to customize this. Basically I'm giving you the script for totally free, and not totally free, some kind of money I am charging you. So you need to go to the description of the video, so you can straight away using debit card or credit card, you can purchase these scripts for very minimal amount. So you can see that. So if you have any sort of problem, you can comment on this video. And the second tool website, this is a second tool website. Let me show you. The second tool website is also a, whenever you unzip it, this is basically the structure of the website, CSS, and this will be the fonts, this is the images, and this is basically the index.html file that you will get. So now you will see this is basically slightly I would say that this was slightly complicated, but this tool website is slightly simple. You will see that both the tool websites do the same thing. Basically it will change the text here. You will see that of the button. You can change the fonts. You can also change the color of the by color picker. You will see that basically it is doing the same thing. So you can see that you can change the font size as well, like this. And you can also have text shadow. You can change the shadow of the shadow color like this. So basically it is having a lot of unique options, guys. So I would highly suggest, if you want to make a earning website from a tool website, if you want to do passive earning, definitely invest in these tool websites. Just customize this, add some test content. If you are a programmer developer, you will definitely know what I'm talking about. You can just see ready-made scripts are there. It will do the functionality for you. You just need to customize accordingly. Just hire a developer, or you can do it yourself. You can see all the functionalities there. You can add paddings, you can add all that stuff. You can even add borders as well. You can see that, basically round it off. It is also doing the same thing, but just the interfaces are different of these websites. So you can also like this video, subscribe this video channel as well, and in the description I have given you the links on how, where you can purchase these products straight away from stripe.com. Stripe, basically it's a payment gateway where you just enter your credit card details, debit card, so you can purchase it very safely. After that, these tools are deployed on Google Drive, and you will get the full zip file where you can unzip and you can get, basically the main benefit is that these are all static tools. You don't need any sort of Node.js server side VPS, virtual private server. You just need a very basic hosting. Then you just need to upload that zip file, and then basically just do some slight modifications on how to add some test content, and then you can rank this website on Google. A lot of traffic will be there on these kinds of websites, and then basically it will give you the CSS code, then that you copy that. It's very utility kinds based websites, and it will get a lot of traffic. You can change basically the, you can see the functionality remains to be the same here. So whenever you go to Google, type CSS button generator, these websites come in. I am giving you for very minimal amount. The link is given in the description of the video. If you have any sort of problem, you can ask in the comment section in purchasing the script. So it can be, you can use any ad networks. You can use Adsense, you can use Ezoic network as well. So all of the very famous networks you can use. Definitely they will approve your website, because you want to add some test content as well alongside with. Just test content will be slightly what is this tool all about. You can add some images as well. So just add your own image, just change these template background colors, just make it look that you have developed this. So if you want to deploy it straight away, you can also do that. It's totally up to you. You just need to purchase a domain name, just try it out, and let all the source code I have. Whenever you purchase it, you will be downloaded a zip file, something like this. Let me show you. After you purchase the script, guys, you will be getting this zip file like this. So here the size is 8 megabytes. You just need to first of all extract this zip file, and then you will get this folder like structure. So this will contain all the source code of that website very safely, and basically you can purchase it. The link is given in the description of this video, guys, and I have given the live demo in this video. This is basically, you can see that this is, I am using this website. You can see that this same website that I open here from my search engine. So you can see that basically I'm offering you this website source code. You will not find out this source code very easily. So basically I have a trick by which I found out the source code of these famous websites, and in the future videos as well I will be sharing with you more source codes. If you are interested, you can purchase this, and I am very genuine person. You can just trust on me, because I have 27,000 subscribers, so I will not be cheating on you. So you can trust me, purchase the script. If you have any sort of problem, I will refund your money. If you face any sort of problem, you just need to message me. If you don't like the script, I will totally refund your money. So thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and also purchase the script if you like it.